Dun dun! Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And here, I'm so excited to bring you a unique device from a brand called Moondrop. And this is a very special device, and it's a 5G HiFi digital player mobile phone. And this brand, I think we are not familiar with it, because before it's focused on the HiFi earbuds and TWS, but this is a special product from them. This is a mobile phone, and it's a 5G mobile phone. Today I'm going to have a very quick unboxing video, and I'm going to show you the specification, the main features about this device. And here we can find the box is very interesting, and they put a cartoon, yes, a cartoon character, and in front of the books, and we can find it's a very nice girl, and he wears the earphone, and they use the mobile phone. And also I think both of them are from the Moondrop, and this brand, the first model of this phone is called the MIAD 101. It's a mobile internet audio device, so it's a new species in the market. And also this time the box is very thin, very thin. Yeah, it's very special design. And also here you get a specification about this device. It's 256 GB RAM edition, and it's gray edition. Yes, and also here is the stuff inside the books. Okay, so next, let's open this box and let's check how this phone looks like. Okay, whoa. So after we open it, yes, here it's very simple and not complicated design. Smartphone here, and okay, nothing left here, and also another small box here. But also we can find here they get information for us: 5G HiFi digital player mobile phone internet audio device, and it's get a 3.5 mm single end earphone output with microphone, and 4.4 mm balanced earphone output. So it have two format specification, two different of output and the earphone. This one 3.5 is with microphone and also earphone, but this 4.4 is a high performance, high quality and high performance balanced earphone output. Okay, so this is very, I think this is very special functions about this device. And also here is another box inside. It's accessory box here, accessory Moondrop. Let's check what's inside. Okay, here is the SIM card ejector, and okay, user manual and warranty card, and also yes, a quick introduction, quick guide of the products, headphone, the receiver, the touch screen, and volume button, camera, and also the charging battery information. And also it's included okay, it's a Type-C to Type-C cable. Okay, very nice. And the material of the cable is not the normal one. It's I think it's kind of fiber. Very nice quality, and I really like this. It feels very comfortable, and it's much better than the normal plastic one, soft plastic one. And yes, here now we have the Moondrop MIAD 01. And first, let's get it from the soft bag. Oh yes. So finally, the phone is in front of us. Whoa, it looks so unique. Yeah, and also we can find from the back, from the design, it's different, totally different than most of the normal phones in the market. And normally it's divided into two parts. This bumped up part, camera here, dual camera system, and also the Moondrop, the smartphone information. And here you can find the 4.4 balanced output, and it's a 3.5 with microphone output here. Two output, 4.4, 3.5, and I think this is the receiver and speaker. Yeah, speaker. Type C, SIM card slot, and I think and this time I can feel the weight of the device. I think it's very light. It's just 202 grams, and also thickness is 9.15 mm. So it's very light, and also the material is I think it's kind of plastic. It's not metal, and even the frame are together like the back panel, and we can feel it. It's just plastic, not like the phones. Not, they don't use the glass, and also they don't use the leather, but just normal plastic. And here you find is the gap between this part and this part. This is very special design, and also the button, also plastic, but it's just the orange color. Yeah, very nice special design. And also if we go to front and wake up the screen, we can find it's used a cover screen. Very nice cover screen, and the screen expanded to the frame. Yeah, and also the wallpaper. It's a girl from cartoon, and kind of cartoon girl, and also very nice software. And we can go to settings to check the information about this device. Device name MDPH001, and this one they use the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chips. Is a 5G chip. It's octa-core CPU and ARM Mali G69 MC4 GPU, and 12 GB RAM plus 205 GB ROM information, and support LPDDR4X and UFS 3.1. And for the we can find the yes, here we can find the hardware information here. And also it's expanded to 2 TB through the micro SD card, and the dual camera system, 64 megapixel main camera and 60 megapixel main camera, and the second one is 8 megapixel. And if for the front camera, use the punched hole screen, and for the front camera is 32 megapixel. And even though it's very light, the battery is 5000 battery, and with 33 watt USB PD charge, and it's also support 5G BPS and USB 3.1 jacket. And also for screen, we can find is used a curved screen, 6.7 inch 1080p curved OLED screen, and it's support refresh rate 120 Hz refresh rate. And also here we find the screen refresh information. You can select 60 or 120 Hz and PWM 90 20 Hz. And also this time the phone supported the on-screen fingerprint as well. Generally speaking, for the specification part is just like a middle-end smartphone, not so high-end, but it's also okay for such device, because this time the main features about the device is not about the processor information, and also it's about the HiFi. Yeah, the HiFi digital player, and also this phone is powered by Android 13. Let me search Android Yes, Android setting, Moondrop. And also, I will say the most special part about this device is based on very nice sound and digital player technology that's from Moondrop. And this time, as we can see, the 4.4 and 3.5 output, and also for the 4 is support for RMS and 2 RMS output watt, and also it have a 4 lanes for the flagship Cirrus Logistic Master HiFi DAC driver, and the dynamic range reached to 132 dB, and SINAD is 118 dB, and also for the sound frequency cut is used the 6 layer, the golden technology, and it support the dependent LDO power, and also is support the 100 degree DAC sound control and DSP functions. So this is the most important one, is the sound quality information about this device. Okay, yeah. Here is the icon, and the software is very simple, and it uses the pure Android system, not so complicated. To start listening, we need a headphone to get the FM function. Yes, very simple, very simple. Just like a player, but it's just more complicated. You can also use this phone to use a normal phone, but actually the design language is based on the normal digital player. It's support of HiFi 5G, so it's actually a high-end digital player, and it's a bit middle and low-end mobile phone. So I think this is the positionable device. So if you really like this brand, and if you're really a music fan and like high quality music, I think this is one of the choice to buy this. And also, if you are no need too much demand for the processor, and you don't play games, and you like pure and simple life, and also this is your choice for device, for your smartphone, and no need to buy another digital player, and just 2-in-1 for both digital player, high quality sound, and also the mobile device. So yeah, let me know your thoughts about this special device from Moondrop, MIAD01, and this price is also very cost effective. And maybe, yeah, I got the price from the offshore site, just around $300, and it's only available in China. So okay, thanks for watching. And the last part, I will have a very simple test about the camera, and I will put the samples at the end of the video. Okay, but this time we don't use this, and we can use this. Yes, okay, very simple camera test. Yes, okay, the camera, normal one, wide angle. To be frank, the software and it's not so smooth. And zoom. Okay, it's not so smooth, so like the flagship device in the market, and not so fast. To be frank, I can feel it. I can find it not very fast and smooth. Okay, so yes, this is today's very quick, very simple unboxing video about the device from Moondrop, the Moondrop MIAD01. This is a combination about the high quality digital player and the smartphone. Thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned waiting for more cool gadget from here. Bye bye. Music test.
Everything okay, my man? Turn the music up. When I'm going home tonight, alright. Hey girl, where you at? Baby, look at this, it'll be your dress. No dress 我好喜欢你，已经很久了，从我们初次才。Lead you to the new world, match to the beat, leave it on me, you know it's perfect in the groove, 全都太沉默，打破这枷锁。Lead you to the new world, match to the beat, leave it on me, you know it's perfect in the groove, 全都太。Everything okay, my man? Turn the music up. When I'm going home tonight, up and down, round and round, hit the spot, 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 up to the kitchen.
Try this.
Everything okay, my man? Turn the music up. When I'm going home tonight, alright. 이게 왜게 어떤 party up and down, round and round, hit the spot, spot, spot.
The Vivo is so too.
Hey girl, where you at? Better look out, 'cause everything your dress. No dress code, then 거시면 돼. 우린 꿈이 먹고 나머진 어때? 넌 이건 분위기 소식이 정적인 지리. 여기는 동생, 저기는 내 homie. 분이지만
Try this.
Everything okay, my man? Turn the music up. When I'm going home tonight, alright. 이게 왜게 없던 party. Everything okay, my man? Turn the music up. When I'm going home tonight, alright. 이게 왜게 없던 party. Up and down, round and round, hit the spot, 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 spot. 엎치락뒤치락 정신을 되찾아내. Hey. Down, round and round, hit the spot, 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 spot. 엎치락뒤치락 정신을 되찾아내. Hey girl, where you at? Pretty look out, 'cause everything your dress. No dress code, then 거시면 돼. 우린 꿈이 먹고 나머진 어때? Yeah, 넌 이건 분위기.
So from the speaker, we can not notice the apparent difference between this and the Vivo X Fold 2, but I think the big difference comes from here and here. Okay, so let's detect a bit more cool gadget from here.